Right. Hello. We're doing maintenance on this furnace today. I was checking the flame sensor, the milliamps. We're supposed, we're out to clean it every season. Um, then we're gonna check static pressure. We're actually checking the static pressure right now, and it looks like we're a little bit higher. This unit is a big unit. We didn't install it, and what we're doing is to kind of like extend the life of this system. But as dust built up over here, one thing that we noticed is that it doesn't have a safety switch, an emergency switch for the gas furnace. They tap it on this light fixture that is right here. So what I have learned, and most manufacturers recommend, is to have a dedicated circuit breaker for any of these HVAC systems. So we will recommend to hire an electrician and make this furnace independent of everything else. So right now we're testing, like I said, static pressure, amp draw for the inducer fan motor. Then we're gonna check for temperature difference, and this one is telling us that we should be between 48 and 70 degrees of temperature rise. So meaning that we want, after reading the temperatures on the return and the supply, we need to be within that range. Anything greater than 70 is telling us something is going on, and airflow is being restricted on the coil side. And if it's below 40, then we're talking about we need more air. But those are the processes, kind of like the checklist that we go over when we're dealing with a gas furnace. So I hope this video helps somebody out there. Maintenance is kind of like an entry level. It's really good if you are starting your HVAC career. It's the best place to start your career and grow from there. So I hope somebody's watching this video and it can help maintenance in gas furnace. Okay, thank you.